Let us discuss about valence shell electron pair repulsion theory. This is also called as a whisper theory. This theory was given by Gillespie and Nylon in the year of 1957. The speciality of this theory is that to observe the shape of the molecule in which the atom is linked together by covalent bond only. Means when we have to observe the shape of the molecule means the molecule of the atoms are there that will link together by covalent bond. When the molecule is have a covalent bond, then only we have to observe the shape of the molecule. Example, we have to take it as a methane molecule. Methane molecule, CH bonds are there that will bond by the covalent bonds. There we have to find a shape of the molecule. But in NaCl molecule, that is a ionic bond, for that one we have to does not find a shape of the molecule because ionic bonds are does not have a shape. Next, the covalent molecule, the center atom is surrounded by shared pair and lone pair. Let us see the example. This one, carbon is a central atom. Around, we have to take it as an example of methane. Around this one there will be the hydrogen atom. In this one, when there will be shared, these electrons are shared, then only there will be the bond formation. Here there will be the all are shared electrons. We have to take an example of this one, ammonia molecule. Here there will be the sharing of electron will take place. Here also bond formation is NH, NH, NH. But this one is, there will be does not share. So this is called as a lone pair of electrons. Next we have to see the electron pair always repelling each other and tries to remain apart. These electron pairs are there, no? These electron pairs always repelling each other. Always repelling each other and tries to remain apart. This will be the repelling each other and tries to. Here also there will be the repulsion will be takes place because there will be the negatively charged. The electron pair around the central atom tend to repel one another since electron clouds are negatively charged. Why that will be the repel each other means these are there, no? This is a central atom. These central atom of these are there, no? These all are negatively charged. These electrons are negatively charged. So if same charges, there will be the repel each other. If opposite charges, that will be the attract each other. Okay. So therefore the electron pairs around the central atom, electron pairs, these are the electron pairs. These electron pairs around, this is carbon is a central atom, tend to repel one another. This will tend to repel one. The electron pairs in a space tend to occupy such position that they are at maximum distance apart and the repulsion interaction is minimum. Let us take an example of BeF2 molecule. If F is like this, then there will be electron will be the negatively charged. Then there will be the repulsion is more. When the molecule will like this, then the repulsion will be less and this molecule will be stable. So therefore they are said the electron pair space tend to such position. There will be take a such a position, they are at maximum distance. These two are at a maximum distance apart. The repulsion interaction is minimum. When there will be the maximum distance, the repulsion is minimum. Then the molecule will be stable molecule. A multi-bond is treated as if it is single bond and the electron pair which is constituted the bond may regarded as a single pair. Let us understand with example. BeCl2. This is a single bond and this is containing double bond carbon dioxide, but the shape will be the same. There will be no difference between the shape. This is single bond, then also it is linear shape. It is double bond, then also it is a linear shape. Next, the shape of the molecule depends upon number of electron pairs. The electron pairs will be bonded or non-bonded around the central atom. The shape of the molecule is there, no, that will depends upon the number of electrons. The electrons, it is bonded or non-bonded around the central atom. Let us see what is bond pair. The electron pair involved in the bond formation are known as a shared pair or a bond pair. Let us take a molecule of CH3. In this one, there will be the sharing. These are shared electrons, isn't it? These are shared electrons. Then there will be bond formation. This is a bond. Isn't it? Therefore, electron pairs involved in the bond formation. These electron pairs are there. No, these electron pairs are involved in the bond formation. So that is called as a bond or a shared pairs. Let us see about lone pair. Electron pairs are not involved in the bond formation are known as a lone pair. Opposite of this one, we have to take an example of NH3 molecule. In this one, these electrons are involved in the bond formation, but these two electrons are there. No, these two electrons are not involved in the bond formation. So this is called as a lone pair. The order of electron pair repulsion. Lone pair is greater than lone pair, bond pair is greater than bond pair. Let us see with the examples. Water molecule. How it will look like? It will look like this. There will be here lone pair. This is lone pair. Repulsion will takes place. Why repulsion will takes place? Because that will be the negatively charged. These electrons are negatively charged. The same charges will be repel each other. Therefore, the bond angle of this one is 104.5 degrees there. What about NH3? This is also like that. There will be the lone pair and bond pair repulsion. This is lone pair and bond pair. This will be the repulsion will takes place. Lone pair and bond pair. These all are negatively charged. When negatively charged, there will be the repulsion takes place. There will be the angle is 107 degree. What about CH3? Same as like that. There will be bond pair, repulsion will takes place. Here bond pair, repulsion will takes place. The angle is more. This will be the bond angle is more. So what we have to say here, when the repulsion is more, then the bond angle will be the less. Here the bond angle will be the less. This will be the more. Okay, but here repulsion is more, repulsion is less. And this whisper theory is there. No, this whisper theory is only applicable for the S and P block elements. Whisper theory is does not applicable for the transition element. Example is PtCl4-2. This platinum is the transition element. This whisper theory is not applicable for this one. Geometry of the molecule. The definite relative arrangement of bonded atom in a covalent molecule is known as the geometry of the molecule. Example, we have to take it as a methane molecule. In this one, there will be definite relative arrangement of bonded atom in a covalent molecule. That will be the geometry of the molecule. This is very important. If lone pair is 0, then the geometry is equal to shape. If lone pair is present, that will 1, 2, whatever it may be, then geometry is does not equal to shape. Let us see some examples. If molecule is AB2 type, then the bond pair is 2. We have to consider as A is a central atom, B is a bond pair. So bond pair is 2, lone pair is 0. Therefore, geometry equal to shape. How it will look like? This will be the central atom A. These are 2 is B. The bond angle between these is 180 degree. So it will look like a linear shape. Example, we have to take it as a BeCl2. This is a central atom. This is a Cl bonds are present. This will look like a linear shape. Let us see another one. AB3 type. Bond pair is 3. Lone pair is 0. When lone pair is 0, then geometrical is equal to shape. It will be the central atom. We have to consider it as it is A, and these all are B. How it will look like? It will look like a trigonal planar. So let us see example of this one is BF3. Next one. AB to E. Bond pair is 2, lone pair is 1. If here lone pair is present, so therefore geometry is does not equal to shape. So geometry is trigonal planar. Shape will be bent or V shape because shape will only depends upon the bond pair. We have to take a rod, we have to bend this. How it will look like this step. So there will be the bend shape. When we have to see this one, this will be the look like V shape. Example is SO2. Next we have to see about this type of molecule, that is AB4. That bond pair is 4, lone pair is 0. Then when lone pair is 0, there will be the geometry is equal to shape. It is a A, and around this one is we have to take it as a B. This will look like a tetrahedral. Okay. Example will methane molecule. This is a central atom. Around this one is hydrogen molecules. How it will look like? It will look like a tetrahedral. Let's see another example. This is AB3E molecule. E means we have to consider as a lone pair. There the bond pair is 3, lone pair is 1. Here lone pair is present. So therefore geometry does not equal to shape. So geometry is tetrahedral, but shape is pyramidal because shape will depends upon only bond pair. Let us see example of NH3. This will look like this. Here also AB2E type molecule, bond pair is 2 and lone pair is 2. Lone pair is present, so there will be the geometry does not equal to shape. Geometry is tetrahedral, but shape will be the bent. Example is H2O molecule. Here bond AB to E type of AB E type E 3 type of molecule. Bond pair is 1, lone pair is 3. Therefore geometry is tetrahedral, shape is linear. How? Before first one we were to look like this. It will shape will depends upon only bond pair. So there will be the example of Cl2. AB5 molecule, bond pair is 5, lone pair is 0. The geometry, when lone pair is 0, then geometry equal to shape. This one we have to consider as A. And these all are B molecules. So there will be the geometry equal to shape. This will look like a trigonal bipyramidal. Example is PF. These are some other types. AB4E, bond pair is 4, lone pair is 1. Then geometry is trigonal bipyramidal. Shape will be the seesaw, or this is called a distorted. Example is SF4. Another AB3E2, bond pair is 3, lone pair is 2. Geometry is trigonal bipyramidal, but shape will be it will look like T, so shape will be the T-shaped. Example is ClF3. Next is AB2E3. Bond pair is 2, lone pair is 3. Geometry is trigonal bipyramidal. Shape will be the linear. It will look like a shape will depends upon only bond pair. This will be linear. Example is I3. Another type AB6. Bond pair is 6, lone pair is 0. Shape here lone pair is 0. That's why geometry is equal to shape. Shape and geometry is octahedral. Example is SF6.